Hey guys, welcome to this video. We are going to add or subtract square roots. Number one, 3 square root 5 plus 6 square root 5. Well, these square root 5s, you can think of them as some object, 3 boxes of root 5 plus 6 boxes of root 5. Well, 3 of something plus 6 of something is 9 of that same something. So the answer to this is 9 root 5. And that's how to do these. So those root 5s, you just think of them as an object. And you have 3 of that object plus 6 of that object. So for number 2, 7 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Same thing, we have 7 root 3s and we're subtracting 3 root 3s. Well, 7 minus 3 is 4, so we now have 4 root 3s. And we can check this answer, and that's that one. So now another one, 5 root 7 plus 6 root 7. Well, it's the exact same idea again. We have 5 root 7s plus 6 root 7s. 5 plus 6 is 11. And then we have 11 root 7s. And we can check that one. And that's the answer. Let's try 3 more that are slightly trickier. All right, number 4. 3 root 2 minus 7 root 2. We're still doing the same thing. We have 3 of these boxes and we're taking away 7 of them. What makes this one tricky is now we're dealing with a negative number. So 3 minus 7. So this is going to be negative 4 root 2. And that's just because 3 minus 7 equals negative 4. So we can check it, and that's the answer. Let's try another one. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus 4 root 5. The only trick here is that there are 3 terms, a 2 root 5, a 3 root 5, and a 4 root 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So the answer to this is 9 root 5s. And we can check it. That's it. So all we did for this was just add 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now for number 6, it just says root 3 plus 4 root 3. This can be tricky for some people. This root 3, there's an implied 1 right here. So it's 1 root 3 plus 4 root 3. And that would be 5 root 3. And we'll show the answer. And the answer is 5 root 3. These ones were slightly trickier, but we can go even trickier now. All right, now number 7. 5 root 6 minus 3 root 6 plus 8 root 6. Same thing, we just have 5 of them, we take away 3 of them, and we add 8 of them. Well, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 plus 8 is 10. So hopefully that wasn't too quick. The answer is 10 root 6. And I'll show you the answer. That's that one. Now number 8 is kind of interesting because we have root 2s and root 5s. So I'll put orange boxes around the root 2s. And I'll put green boxes around the root 5s. So we can't add the root 2s to the root 5s. Those are different things. That'd be like adding apples and oranges. You don't want to combine them. So the root 2 and the root 2, we're going to do these two first. 3 root 2 plus 8 root 2 is 11 root 2. So now we've taken care of these two things. And then we'll do the 5 root 5 minus 2 root 5. This minus is attached to the 2. 5 root 5 minus 2 root 5 is 3 root 5. So another tricky thing about this one was this minus goes to the 2, and this plus goes to this 5. So it's 5 minus 2. So if we show the answer, we get the same thing, 11 root 2 plus 3 root 5. So we got it right. So now number 9. I kind of like what I did with the boxes, so I'm going to do the same thing. Root 3s I'll call an orange box, and the root 2s I'll call a brown box. So if we do the root 3s first, we have a 6 root 3 plus 8 root 3. That would be 14 root 3. And then we have a negative 3 root 2, so that negative is part of the 3, and a minus root 2. If there's no number there, it's an implied 1. So this is like negative 3 root 2 minus 1 root 2. And negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. We have 14 root 3 minus 4 root 2. And we can check this one. And we get 14 root 3 minus 4 root 2. These are all slightly trickier problems, but hopefully these all make sense. All these practice problems were on a page on andymath.com. I'll include a link down below in the description. Here they all are. And they all have the answers. And they're the ones we just did. There's also some challenge problems here. These already have videos, so I didn't put them in this video. Feel free to check those out. There's also related pages if you want to learn how to simplify square roots. That's actually what makes these challenge problems challenging, is the simplifying of the square roots. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Comment below if you have any math questions, and I will do my best to answer them. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.